Have you ever reached out to a company you're working with and their email address has @gmail.com or @yahoo.com, maybe even @hotmail.com?
AOL, anybody?
Right. That does not scream professionalism.
No.
So there's a couple things that are really important as a new business owner or as a business owner if you've been in this space for a while. And one of them is making sure that you have an email that lines up with the professionalism that you want to demonstrate to the world.
And that comes with getting your own company name as a domain name. Why? Because in this day and age, the new business card is a website that says what your company name is on it. So when it's Joe at joeshardware.com, they get a feeling that you're not just Joe the employee, you're Joe the owner. And little things like that from a brand recognition and perception standpoint can make all the world of difference when you're looking to differentiate yourself from a professional, reputable company that someone can feel comfortable selling their house to, and just someone that's out there hustling.
Exactly right. And how do you communicate with other people on your team? You want to be able to have the control of all the intellectual property and all the assets that you create as a team, since you are the business owner. And so using a product like G Suite, which is a suite of products that Google offers, is incredibly useful in having team management of your documents, your photographs, communication within your team, and then also you get to deliver that professional appearance to your seller prospects, because you get to use your name at yourdomainname.com for your email.
Now, this particular video isn't intended to be any kind of deep dive or training or helping you understand G Suite any better than you do now, but we do have a separate video where we cover a little bit more about that, and we invite you to click on one of the links below if that interests you. But understanding that being able to get that professional business presence set up and established is paramount. And when you want to use that with your automation for follow-ups and general communications, that is so important to have the right setup so that you don't get fed up. And that's what we want to be able to help you do, fast track that process of getting going with Google and Blackbook connected, so that you can get started with your marketing and communication with your prospects.
So if you're ready to get going, or if you need anything else from us, any questions answered, give us a call. Our phone number is 602-362-8007. You can also reach out to us via text and we will help you out. We'll get you set up with G Suite right away.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.